Hi everyone! こんにちは I'm YUCa. Welcome to YUCa's Japanese Cooking. Today I want to show you how to make baby food for 5 to 8 months old. Due to popular demand, I decided to continue this Japanese baby food series. I hope you like it. I would like to introduce Japanese baby food in each age groups, roughly divided into babies for 5 to 8 months old and 9 to 12 months old. So this time I introduce vegetable-based smoothies so that babies and parents can share. So we will use some vegetables and even tofu. So as always, my friendly family, Mario and Luigi will be joining as a helper. During this video, I introduce useful cooking techniques and ideas. So please watch in detail until the end. Okay everyone, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. how was the veggie-based smoothie recipe today? So here are the tips and recommendations. Tip, especially 5 to 6 months old baby not get used to eating the raw vegetables. So make sure to warm or heat before feeding them. And tip, for babies who are not get used to eating fruits, feed them little by little while keeping an eye on them. And tip, I used silken tofu today, but it's also okay to use firm tofu. And firm tofu is a little bit crumbled, so I recommend to grind to make a smooth texture. And tip, if your final product becomes a little bit sticky, I recommend to pour a warm water and grind to make a little bit smooth. So please control it. So those are the tips and recommendations. So how was the video? I hope this tutorial will help you to make healthy and nutritious baby food. And would you like to know more about Japanese food and culture and family life? I send a newsletter 1 or 2 a month. To sign in, please go to my food blog. It's yjc.tokyo. yjc.tokyo. The pop-up screen comes up, so please type your email address and name and click. And that's it. And special thanks to Mario and Luigi. Thank you so much. If you want to know more about Mario and Luigi and family lifetime, please go to my second channel. It's YUCa's Diary. And if you watch this video for the first time, I introduce easy, yummy, and simple Japanese recipes, including baby meals and Japanese food for toddlers. So don't forget to subscribe. And before watching another videos, don't forget to hit the like buttons. Your like button motivates me to make new recipes. And if you have requests for baby food, please tell me as well. I will film more videos for you. Okay everyone, have a great day, great weekend, and wonderful new week. We will see you next time. Bye bye.